Hi, in this tutorial we'll see how we'll start creating our Wall Breakers game. At first, we'll start by creating a new project. Choose iPhone Portrait to have in this view. Now we will work on creating our actors. For of course, at first we need a bar. Put the bar and make it of size, width 180, height make it 10. Create a wall actor, make it of size 20 by 20. Now we will drag our bar to our game scene here. First we'll do things for movement, which is here. Do the new rule, check key, in this rule we'll add the key listener here. Choose right arrow, and the do will constrain the X position for going right. Attributes bar position X to attribute bar position X plus 5. And now here we'll also add another case for staying inside the frame, which is attribute bar position X less than or equal game display size width minus bar size width over 2. Test this. It's working. Remember this to move right. Copy paste by Ctrl C Ctrl V, same rule. Move left. Change the cases. Works on both sides. Now we need to add functionality to the wall to move this slider before we shoot. To do this, at first we need to add an attribute inside our game level of type real. Name it bar X. Go to the bar here, add constrain attribute, constrain the bar X to bar position X. I will go to my ball, constrain attributes ball position X to attributes game bar X. Drag drop our ball to test. You see they are moving with each other. Now we need something else, is to put this in an accurate place. So instead of adding it like this, we will add a function inside our bar called span actor. We need to span the actor ball. Instead of actor, 0 direction this from position here. I will add 15, which is half of this height plus half of the ball height. 5 plus 10 equal to 15. So it's an accurate place. Try this now. You see here you have our ball. Now we need to work on shooting this ball. Before we do shooting, we need to go here. Here we want this to be constrained while I am not shooting. Before working this shooting, we need to add a new variable type boolean called shot. I want this constrained when I am not shooting, so I'll add a new rule, attribute game shot is false. I'll do here, move this one here. So only way I'm not shooting, I'm constraining. Until now, no effect because I'm always not shooting. But now I can move this shot rule, or constrain rule. Just to rename it. Now I need to add a new rule, name it shot. This rule take key of type space, and it will do at first it will change my attribute of shooting to true, which is 1. Then it will change velocity of my ball to make it like 700, and for the direction we want some randomization between two angles, between this line and this line. So we'll do function random 45 135. You can change these values, up to you. So now I will test this. Move left and right, shoot space, move up, try it again, shoot space. You see each time I'm changing direction. So now we have shooting, but we want it to collide with our bar and our frame. For our bar, I will add here a collide function which will collide with my bar. Now it will collide, and I'll add a new actor called like maybe frames. Change its size here. I want something, maybe the width, leave it by 10 or 20, and for height something like 500. Drag my frames here. Okay, this one, I'll drag another one to the other side. I'll drag another one here. I can rotate this, just move the pointer here. You can try something, or here you can also create rotation 90 degrees. This. I will also tell my ball to collide. Sorry, I need here to press into my ball. Also collide with type frames. This now. They are colliding, but you see they are moving. Okay. See here they are colliding. Look how they are moving now. To stop this action for the bar and the frames, I need to go to, for my bar, scroll down here, physics, turn off movable, turn on fixed rotation, and put friction to 0. For ball, physics, or sorry, for the frames, physics, movable, fixed rotation, friction 0. For my ball, I need to change something. Just here, in physics, go to collision shape, change to circle because it's a ball. Try now. So now I'm acting like a game. Like this. I want my frames to be invisible actually, but when I press some of my scenes I can't change their color. I can't change before adding, so I don't want to read them again and then drag drop. Can do a simple thing, go to frame, change attribute. I'll choose my color attribute, the alpha channel to 0. So now all my frames are invisible, but they are doing these collisions I need in my game. Here, then next step to do this, now I need to add some brakes. Add brakes, size of 70 by 20. Give it some sort of color, red color if you want. Add 5 brakes. So now I also need to collide with the brakes, so I will go to each brake. I'll go to the brakes here, change like the friction to 0, turn off movable, turn on fixed rotation. Now I need a rule. When I hit a brake, I need to destroy my actor. So add a new rule, says collision with actor of type ball. I should destroy this actor. Try now. Okay, but here I have something missing. It should bounce when collide with the brake. To do this bounceness, I'll go to my ball. I'll say collide actor of type brake. You see now it acts like logical game. So this is for part 1. Now in part 2 we'll see how to add more features to this game.